hungry. Let's make cupcakes. Welcome to Mia Happy Never TV. Today we are going to be making cupcakes. If you don't know how to make cupcakes, you should watch this video because these are for beginners. So first of all, you're going to start off with one cake mix. You can use any flavor. I just use chocolate. And then you're going to open it up.
Tommy cat.
Now that we got the cake mix open, you're going to pour it in your bowl. It feels like one of those vitamin things. Next, you're gonna get 1 cup of water and fill it up. Next, you're gonna pour it into your cake mix. I got a little wet, but that's fine. I already prepared the oil, so you need to add 1/2 cup of oil. And then you're gonna put it in your cake mix. You're gonna get a big spoon and then mix it all up. So you're gonna crack the eggs. You're gonna add 3 eggs. The last one. Now after that, you're gonna mix. Make sure there's no more egg yolk. You have to mix for 2 minutes or 3 because if it's still like solid, it's gonna be very hard cupcakes. Now that we got our batter, we need to put in our sleeves for the cupcakes so we can put the batter into these cupcake sleeves. Make sure to wash the cupcake pan or else you will eat dirty cupcakes, which is not good, and you might get sick. My 2 special ones. Now that we're done, we're gonna put in the batter inside the sleeves. I don't wanna make a big mess, so I'm gonna use these little soup spoons. They're used for soups. Now we're gonna pour it in our cupcake. As you can see, I made a little mess, but I will clean it up after. Since I went a little overboard on this cupcake, I'm going to put some aluminum foil so it doesn't overflow. Next, we're going to get the oven ready and make sure it's baked at 350 degrees.
I'm going to help Mia to put her cupcakes in there, and we're gonna be fine. Tummy cat, step up. Alright, Mia, bake and start. Zoom in.
We're gonna wait for 15 15 minutes, so we're just gonna pause here and wait for 15 minutes and then the cupcakes will be done. In the meantime, I'll clean up this, throw away this as well, and get all of these stuff ready. 15 to 20 minutes later. Funny, so we're just gonna cut that one out. Oof, that's hot. Mmm, it's good. That's a little hot. Before we add the frosting, we need to let this cool down because if we add on the frosting is gonna be hot. So we have to wait about for 10 to 12 minutes until they're ready. Now that the frosting is ready, we are gonna put the sprinkles all over these beautiful cupcakes. I know who to give this to. Papa!
Yes.
Come get a cupcake.
All right, cupcake time.
Come try this.
All right, let's see how good this tastes. Let's see the Master Mia at work. Mmm. 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 Delicious. Mmm. Mia, you did a very good job. High five, baby girl. Another high five. There we go. Mm-hmm.
Your cupcakes are delicious, Mommy.
Very good, Mia. I'm very proud of you.
I love you.
You should try this. I recommend using Pillsbury because Pillsbury is more good. Pillsbury. All the directions are on the back. Yeah, back of the box. Make sure to use these little cupcake things that hold the cupcakes so they don't fall out.
Okay.
And if you want, you can add sprinkles. I accidentally went too crazy. Make sure you use this tip I made. And make sure to like, subscribe, and if you need a shout out, give me a comment. That's it for me at Happy Network TV. Bye. Get out of here.